Hey guys, Kathryn, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another K-pop inspired makeup tutorial, and this time it is inspired by Wendy from Red Velvet's music video Bad Boy. And unlike all the other K-pop makeup tutorial I've done before, this time it's going to be a day to night makeup look. I thought this was a really good opportunity for this type of look because she did have a very natural, everyday type of look and a really dramatic look, which is what I'm wearing right now. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and let's go. I already did my eyebrows with the Anastasia Dipbrow pomade in dark brown, and now I'm going to prime my eyelids using the E.L.F eyeshadow primer. Taking the Naked Heat palette, I'm going to take the color Sauced and put this all over my entire eyelid, passing the crease and blend it out. It's like a peachy brown color. And I'm also going to take the leftovers onto the bottom lash line. Now taking the Sweet Peach palette, I'm going to take Candied Peach and very lightly apply this on top of what I did earlier to give it a little bit more of a orangey tone. And of course the lower lash line as well. Now taking Charmed, I'm sure I'm going to use this color as a eyeliner. It's like a cool tone brown and I think it's pretty perfect for this. Taking Puree, and I'm going to use this color on the lower lash line, focusing on the outer corners. And I also took a smaller brush for more precision. Now using White Peach, I'm going to use this color to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. For mascara, I'm using these two and just coat my lashes in them. Now I'm going to take the Dear Darling tint from Etude House. This is the number 1, and apply that on the inner parts of my lips. And then I'm taking this E.L.F lipstick in Ravishing Rose and put that on top. Now the day look is complete. Now building on from the look earlier, I'm going to take Charmed, I'm sure, from the Sweet Peach palette and put this color on my eyelids, not passing the crease. Now back to the Heat palette, I'm going to take the color Ashes and focus this color on the outer corners and create a downwards triangle shape. And of course also the lower lash line as well. I'm going to concentrate this color on the outer corners mainly and blend it in. Now taking Sauced, I'm going to use this color to blend out everything. Now taking Ounce, I'm going to use this to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. For eyeliner, I'm using the Maybelline Master Precise Felt Tip Eyeliner to create a little wing at the end. And also apply a little bit more mascara because the shadow probably got on it. Now wiping off the lip color that I had earlier and use this Innisfree Lip Moose in number 4 and make a gradient effect. And now the night look is complete.
So this is pretty much it, this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!